Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable DMs or direct messages on Twitter on PC. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. First thing first, it is impossible to disable all DMs, but you can only disable for people who you are following. So let's move on to the first step. First thing, we have to go to our homepage, to our Twitter homepage, and then go down on the left and click on More. And now go to Settings and Privacy. And in Settings and Privacy, now go to Privacy and Safety. And in Privacy and Safety, head down to Direct Messages. Okay, so now this is the place where we will disable the DMs. So it is located on the first as the first one of all the other options here. Allow message request from everyone. So if you want to receive messages from everyone, you have to click in this little box. But if you don't want to receive messages from everyone, then you go ahead and uncheck the box. So this will let people know you don't follow, send messages in friend request, and add you to the group conversation, or to reply to their messages you need to accept the request. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for listening, and once again, if you love this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.